You see, we're growing, right? We're growing. But they have a lot of diversions that they put in front of us. And one of them is taking a toll on us right now. And a group of women in New York hated me because I made a statement and they came to me and said, you know, if you are the way you are, I would like to be your woman, but you're not spiritual. I said, but I don't know what that is. I heard talk about it. People mention it. They say they are, but I don't know what it is. I don't know. Spiritual, I don't know what that means, but I know what this one means. When you're cosmically connected, meaning that you're going to obey the laws of life. And because you are obeying that law, that natural law, your body would recuperate again and it will keep you without distress. But if, and I see you eat these ham hocks, and this cabbage, and these potatoes, well, I'd rather not be spiritual. Because these things hurt the body. And spiritual people eat those things. Where did we get that? But then we believe that when we use the word spiritual, that it brings us to another level of life that is free of stress, and that I'm free now of all that which is painful. Not so. You just trap yourself. Because look at what all spiritual people eat. They eat a food that denies their biology. You see, when God or nature made things and placed things around the world, he placed the food. When the Mexican asked me, what is the food of the black man? We are our anthropologists today, and all of us have them in the community. J.A. Rogers, Chancellor Williams, Sheikh Diop. Look, that Mexican, put them aside and heal your brother that now is healing diseases that no one else is in healing. It started with a Mexican because an understanding that came from the organic world. And that is what that Mexican told me. He said, you and I are members of the organic family. What do you mean by that, Alfredo? He said, we didn't produce waste. The organic family is the black man, the Inca, the Toltec, the American Indian. They make up the organic family. There were no waste. Now, you have these trucks, right? Waste management. But that is the society that we live in today, a wasteful society. So now, how does Dr. Sebi cure these diseases? He selects from the forest the plants that are going to resonate with you and bring you to a higher level than that of spirituality. It's going to connect you with life. And now you're not going to make the mistake that you may have made in the spiritual vernacular. Because when I go to spiritual people's houses and I watch what they be eating, I don't want to be that. So we're going to take it to a higher